Did you know that you can actually make money just by testing out mobile apps and writing reviews? I'm talking about a site called Write Up Reviews. Here's how it works. You sign up, choose an app from their library. It could be a game, a fitness tracker, anything, then download it, try it out, and write an honest review based on your experience. Simple, right? There is a small fee to join, but it gives you access to their entire system, like your own little portal of paid app review gigs. You don't need to be a professional writer either. Just describe how the app worked for you, what you like and what you didn't like, and submit the review through their site. You get paid through PayPal or something similar, depending on the app's payout year. If you love checking out new apps anyway, this is an easy way to earn little extra on the side. Want to try it out? Hit the link below and get started with writeupreviews.com.